Hello, friends. I'm feeling better, and I'm here to help you with your chemistry, okay? I'm really sorry I missed Tuesday. I missed you guys so much, but trust me, you didn't want me around. So, now that I'm getting better, I want to make sure we don't miss anything fun for next week, okay? So let me give you some tips and tricks for this week. You have 2 books. The notebook journal with the spiral bound on it, and the textbook. Easy peasy, right? Except there's a lot of things in these books, and you might not know what you're supposed to do and what you're not. So that's what I'm here to tell you about. This week, for your homework assignment, you're going to read Lesson 1, Chemistry and Physics Matter. So just read through the lesson. You can read, if you have the audiobook, you can listen. On the audiobook, they're going to read everything, including some of the try this things in the blue boxes. You don't have to do any of the try thises unless you want to. Some of them we're going to do in class together next week. So if you do them ahead of time and you learn the secrets, don't share next Tuesday, all right? We're definitely going to be building lava lamps next week though, so just be ready to have some fun with that. As you're working through reading the text, if you would like to take notes, if you're one of those kinds of people, then you can take notes on paper or in your notebook journal. If you look over here in the chapter 1 section, it starts on page 12. Not sure why it's not 1, but it's not. So on page 12, you'll see all these boxes. Fascinating facts about matter. There's boxes here for you to draw pictures if you prefer to take notes that way, or you can write down things on the lines. Just anything that you find that's interesting, you can write down on these lines here. It doesn't have to be the bold terms, but a lot of kids like to use those. Then you'll find some other activities to do in your book, like the Archimedes play, which we'll talk about that in a minute. You'll find a crossword puzzle with some of the bold words that you've read about. You'll find some copywork pages. If you're a print person, you can do that. If you're a cursive person, on the next page, you can see that. You just have to be able to turn the page. Then you'll also see here on this page here, the Matter Flat Book page. This looks really interesting, right? But it's a little confusing. Flip to the back of your notebook journal and you're going to see some pretty cool colored pages in the back here. For you, this week, one of your assignments is to finish the Matter Flat Book. So if you open up to the back of your book and go to page A7, A for appendix, page 7, it's going to look just like this. Sorry. You're going to open this and you'll see directions for it right here. If you need help with those, you can totally ask your mom. You can finish this flat book. You'll tear it out, cut it out, put it all together, glue it, and then in that section of your notebook journal where it says to put your Matter Flat Book, that's where you'll glue it in. It'll go right there. So this week, for week 1, for your homework assignment, you need to read chapter 1 all the way through. Chloe, you can say hi if you like.
Hello. I didn't know who you're talking to, but hello.
Chapter 1, you need to finish the Matter Flat Book that I just showed you in the back of your notebook journal. And then I'd like you to also do the Archimedes play right here in your notebook journal. And the directions for that are in your book. So if you look in your book, your textbook, you're going to find the exact page for you towards the end of the chapter, page 28, where it says notebooking activities right here. On page 28, you'll see all the directions for how to write that play. We're going to have some fun with those on Tuesday. If you have anything else in the book that you would like to do for chapter 1, go for it. It'll be lots of fun. Next week, things will be a lot smoother. Miss Jess did the best she could with what I gave her, which was pretty much nothing because this all happened at the last minute. I got very sick from eating a salad. So kids, don't eat salad. I'm just kidding. Salads are still good for you. I'm not going to eat that salad anymore. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can email me or tell your mom to email me, or just go eat a cookie and keep being confused until next Tuesday. Okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.